Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing. For the old returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Today's video is the continuation of the confirmatory factor analysis. So I've linked the video just down here. So today I will show you how to use the modification indices to improve your model fit results. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at what a good model fit result looks like. Here is the summary of what a good model fit result should look like. So this is what we should expect in our results. For the choice pair p-value, the target level is 0.5. So this is what we should look at for. When we have 0.7 or above 0.5, it's overfitting. And less than 0.5 is underfitting. For the seaming between 2 to 5 is a good fit. But when we have above 5, it's not acceptable. NFI, that's the non-fit index, 95% and above is a good fit. So when we have less than that, we have less than 90%, it's not acceptable. We can still consider taking 90, but less than 90% is not a good fit. But for a perfect fit, 95% and close to 1 is a perfect fit. Same goes to CFI and also GFI, that's the goodness of fit index. For the PCFI, above 60% is a perfect fit for the model. RMC, the target level is 5%, so we should consider looking at this 5%. So when we have RMC of more than 0.08 is not acceptable, but less than 0.08 is acceptable. So it means here that 0.05 to 0.07 can still be considered for RMC, but above 0.08 is not acceptable. But for a perfect fit, below or less than 0.05 is a perfect fit for the RMC. So let's compare this with the result we had, our previous result, to see if we are within this threshold or we need to use the modification indices to improve the result. This is the result from the previous video. Here I would like to say, if you missed the last video on CFA, you need to see that first before watching this to be able to understand what is happening here. Check my linked videos and click on the CFA to be able to understand where we are coming from. So from the results of the last video, this is what we have compared to what we just discussed now on a good model fit. So we have the same mean here, 2.25. So this is okay because it's close to 2.5. So this is acceptable. For the GFI is 0.86. So this is below 0.95. So this is not quite good. Also, the NFI is 0.82. It's not acceptable. It's great, but not perfect. Okay, the CFI also 0.89. It's not so good, but we need to use the modification indices on these results. So going to the RMC is 0.06. Is okay. It's below 0.08. This is great, but the P close is not significant. So we need to use the modification indices to improve this result. So to do that, we go back to the model here. Okay, we go to the output, that's the analysis property, then the output. Okay, you click on the modification indices here. So, and you save and run. So wait for some while to see. Okay. Ready. So we'll go to the view text. We'll check the okay. So we'll go to the modification indices. After using the model fit, see it still did not change. So we'll go to the model fit index. As you can see, we have quite a lot of numbers coming out here. So all this, if we were to go with this result, it means we are going to join all this together, which is so much. This is so much. Okay, so we need to connect all this together. So what we need to do is we go to these modification indices here and look at the we look at the numbers that are more than 10. If there are more than 5 numbers here that's higher than 10 points, then we need to change the threshold to 10 so that we can reduce this, because this is quite much. We cannot connect each and every result here because this is quite much. So let's check for numbers above 10. Here we have 11.59. This is one of them. This 2, this 3, this 4, this 5. So already we have up to 5. This 6, 7. So this is much. We already have more than 5 numbers above 10 points here. So what we need to do is we go back to the result again, to the model again. So go back to the analysis property. Okay, here the modification indices, we used 4. That is why we have a lot of them coming there. So now we have to change it to 10. We save and run. Okay, 40 minutes. Okay, the result is here now. So we'll go back to the view text, modification index here. Okay, now see, so this is what we have now. We have reduced it now. So this is these are all the numbers above 10, and they are numbers affecting the model. So now we're going to connect all these ones together, okay, to reduce, to improve the result. So we're going to join all this. So this is 21. We join E21 to E22, and here 19, 20, 17, and 18. So we go back to our model. We have 19 and 20. So we're using this. This is the covariance drawing here. We use it. So we connect 19 and 20. It's 19 and 20. Okay. Next is 21 and 22. 21 and 22. Okay, here. Our 17 and 18. Our 16 and 24. So 16 here and 24. 15 and 20. 15 and 20. Here 15 and 20. 20 is here. 10 and 27. 10 and 27. Okay. Next is 10 and 18. 10 again and 18. 6 and 7. Here's 6 and 7. Then 4 and 18. 4 and 18. Here is 4 and 18 is here. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 here, 4 here, 5 here. Two and 3. And the last of it is 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Here is 1 and here is 2. Okay. So now after connecting the covariances, now what we do now is we save. Then we'll test the model again. Okay, the result is here. So we go back to the now we'll go back to modification indices now and see we're having only one that we need to connect again. But before then, let's check for the model fit and see if it's improved or not. Okay, you can see now our seaming now has reduced to 1.68. This is a perfect one. Yeah, seaming below 4 is very perfect for the model. So this is good. Okay, you can see the CFI now, the GFI now has increased to 0.90. So this is acceptable. The CFI is 0.94. That's very good. This is very perfect. Okay, the NFI is staying in 0.89. Okay, so let's check for the RMC. RMC is 0.04. This is good, perfect. So here is a very good fit. We have a very good fit. So this result is acceptable. So we can report that we have a very good fitting now. So basically, this is the steps to take to do the modification indices. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. If there's any question on it, please drop it in the comment section below or email me on my Facebook page at Christeze Analytics. And please remember to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.